To begin with, I'll be showing the materials I'll be using. I got my ink toner, my rare metal magnet, and also the vegetable oil. And of course the container I'll be mixing everything in. As you will see in a minute, I struggle getting the ink out of the container. So that's what I'll be doing for the next few minutes. I finally got the ink out. Now I'll be pouring the vegetable oil. Now here comes the moment of truth. I'll be grabbing the magnet and testing to see if I've actually created something along the lines of ferrofluid. Uh-oh, as you can see, nothing is happening. I try again. And I try many other times. But unfortunately, the experiment has failed. And I imagine the reason it has failed too is because the ink that I had is not a powder ink as it was shown in the video that was given to us by our professor. And it must not contain magnetite, which is actually the component that makes the ink behave like ferrofluid once mixed with vegetable oil. I try a few different times, but nothing is happening. As mentioned before, laser printer toner contains a substance called magnetite, which is mixed iron oxide. It has a property of magnetic attraction, and that's what should have made this work. But in my case, the experiment failed. It is worth to add a disclaimer that this fluid that I was trying to create, it's most likely not ferrofluid, but something called magnetorheological fluid, which is similar to ferrofluid in the way that there are magnetic particles suspended in a fluid medium. But in this case, this type of fluid does not use nano-sized particles, such as is in the case of ferrofluid. The particles contained in magnetorheological fluid are 2 or 3 times larger than the particles in ferrofluids.